Hello and welcome to your YouTube channel Tech Talk. Friends, as you might be knowing, PayPal is widely used platform. It provides an easy and quick way to send and request money online. You can transfer money abroad to family, friends, online shops, etc. This video is going to be very useful and knowledgeable, so watch it till the end. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, we have to go to paypal.com, or you can also click on the link below in the description, and we have to click on the sign up button here. There are two options, personal and business. Personal is for those people who want to pay online, and business is for those people and businesses who want to receive as well as send payments online. So we will be signing up for a business account here. So it is showing business account here, receive and send payments. I am looking to accept payments. You can select whichever is suitable for you on marketplace or freelancer platforms. We select this. My monthly sales volume is, you can select as per your choice. My payment preferences foreign currency only, we should select here, and after that we have to go to the next page. Enter your email address. You have to enter email address here and submit, and select a password. Submit. Business type, it is individual. Product or service keywords, you can select product as per your choice, whichever is comfortable with you. For example, I will select this. Purpose code, I will select this. PAN card, you have select your PAN card. PayPal name, we should select, for example, Tech Talk 11. Business URL, if you have got URL you can select it, otherwise you can leave it. After that you have to select on the submit button. Tell us about your business. So you have to enter your details here. First name, middle name is optional, you can write here. Nationality is Indian. Date of birth, you can select from the drop down, or you can select from this option. Pin code, address, state. After filling in these details, you have to enter your mobile number. Primary currency, your primary currency is Indian rupees. Business address is the same as home address. You have to check this, and after filling in these details you have to select agree and continue and click on it. So after filling in these details we have to confirm these things first. Let us confirm your email address. So I have received a welcome mail from PayPal. It is showing activate your account now. So you have to select get started now. And enter the password you had entered at the time of account creation. Confirm email address. So it is showing that you have confirmed your email address. Now it is showing link a bank account. You have to link a bank account so that you can receive payments directly in your bank account. If anybody sends you payments, it will be directly credited to your bank account. So if you click on it, it will ask IFSC code. You have to enter your IFSC code. You have to enter your IFSC code and account number. After that, account name. If you have got business account number, then select a business, or else you can select a personal. And after filling in these details, link your bank. So after filling all these details, you have completed your PayPal account creation, and you have linked a bank account in it. So that means if you want to send or receive payments, you can do this comfortably while linking a bank account. So today we have learned how to create a PayPal account and how to link bank account in it. So we have created our PayPal account, and it is the main page, summary page. It is showing the PayPal balance here, and it is also showing that you have to set up your PayPal account. If we go to setup, there it is showing we have already confirmed our email address. After that, we have to link our bank account. You can also check the activity page. It is showing the recent transactions that you have done in your PayPal account, like what you have received and what you have sent online to family, friends, or online shops, etc, etc. And after that, you can check reports as well. It is showing everything you need to know. You can get it through reports, and there are many other things like help tools, and you can check these things with ease. Otherwise, this video will go long and it will be lengthy. So you can check these things out yourself. These are tools, and if you need any kind of help, you can click on the help button as well. So this completes our video today. Thanks for watching the video. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Goodbye.